It's their morning time. Yeah, see, Miller, he changed out the bottom in there yesterday.
He changed it yesterday.
Yep. They need a little air in there. It's humid, Melinda. We've got to open this up some for them. The air's too humid. That's why they're kind of sticky like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's one dead yesterday.
It's staying too damp. Oh. Yeah, he's got it closed up too much in this hot weather. Turned off those light bulbs in there and opened up some air gaps here. He watches after you, doesn't he?
Yeah.
It's a pretty awesome dog.
Yep. He's brave also.
Yeah, he's not scared of nothing.
Yeah.
He sure ain't. He is a true guard dog.
Yep.
He watches every tiny move you're doing too.
Yep. I like that dog. This is the sweet dog. Yeah. He like to swim also there. If you go there, he also will follow you.
Beach dogs. Well, the cows are doing an amazing job over here mowing down the grass. Man, look at that. It was all tall. I mean, it was like a foot tall or so yesterday, and they have really mowed it down. They must have ate all night long in here. That's all right with me. And Melinda's dad was concerned I would be upset about the manure, the poop. I said not a problem at all, because we're going to take all that and put it in that soil along that fence down through there to enrichen it more. Well, it is another, again, beautiful day here in the Philippines. A little bit of clouds over, but not too bad, you know. I like it like that. It's pretty nice. And guys are back out there working on the extension on the boat ramp. It's not just a boat ramp. It's also being used as a jetty wall for erosion protection when those storms come in along the beach right there. It cuts that rip current, and it keeps us from having so much erosion on our area down through there on the beach. Like I say, it breaks that current. And on down the beach here from us is another one sticking out at the Hernandez family has, and the same thing. It has really built and restored the beach out where that is at, and we're kind of hoping for the same thing here. So you're wondering why I'm building such a boat ramp. It's not just about launching a boat. Once I'm out the wet sand and gravel there anyway, I can drive the boat right down on that and launch it in the water. It is a dual purpose. It is actually, as I said, a jetty and a boat ramp combined in one. So there you go. There you have that. So I told the little wife that I would really like to have fish sinigang. And so it's like a sour soup for you people that don't know. You can have this. Sinigang can have many different kinds of meat in it, but this particular time I wanted fish. So I've got some really nice fish in there. Man, this is a nice sour soup. It's got like that radish right there in it. Ah, man, and it's great for me feeling under the weather. Great, great, great. And then she also fixed me some of these small crabs. Boy, don't that look good. Yeah. This is the nice things living along the shore here. Now that noise you hear there in the background, that is my MPP solar inverter cooling off. That's the fans going on it. The speeds vary of how hard those fans run on that according to how many kilowatts or watts is coming in off the solar panels. And so the more coming in, the harder the fan runs on it. It's pretty cool the way you got it regulated like that. Let me show you what it's doing right now. So right now it's putting out or inputting 92 volts, 58, 59 amps, right around in there. And at the moment, 1.73 kilowatts. It's been hitting up to 2 kilowatts a day, but as y'all seen those clouds, that's not bad at all.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. Life is so bittersweet, let me put your mind at ease.